7-year matured rubber wood. Reborn with a new purpose after ceasing latex production. We cast trees into light guiding tracks, carved into mirrors you can touch. Every grain bears the imprint of time. Premium color palette effortlessly adapts to any space's character. 98-hour oxidation resistance test achieves 95% color fidelity, doubling the radiance of life's finest moments. Why choose us? Our suppliers are traditional branded suppliers. HD copper free mirror, thickened foam pad for better cushioning, strong packaging box, 2 designs for sizes. 4 sizes. Dual hanging options. Break conventions. Let nature's beauty unfold before your eyes.